In this video, we are going to make an organic looking animation with the help of geonodes. I have made this animation look organic by using the smooth edges and these things, but you can also make it look sci-fi with the help of some blocky edges, etc. So anyways, without further ado, let's get started. First of all, as always, delete the default cube. Then add another cube. Then add geonodes to it. First of all, delete the group input and add curve circle. After this, curve to mesh node and another curve circle to it. You can also change the values of these circles as you wish. After this, add transform geometry node and animate the rotation on z-axis. Set the end value of z-axis to 360 degree so that it can easily loop. Then add another transform geometry node after curve to mesh node and set the scale on x and y to 5 and z to 2. Then after this, add split edges node and set the selection to random value. With this, geometry node work is done. Now add another modifier, which is smooth modifier, and set the factor to 2.5. After this, add solidify modifier and subdivision surface modifier. Now it's time to set up your camera. For focal length, set the value to 24 or something like this. Then add curve circle. Set the curve as the parent of camera and select follow path. There is one more thing to add in geonode modifier, which is set material node. After this, like always, set up your scene so that it look amazing in Eevee. And for the lights, I am just adding two lights, one red and one blue, or I think I am adding sky here. In the middle, I am just adding an icosphere for some more details. And then at the end, you can just take your crazy ideas for materials. If you have made any of these animation and uploaded it on Instagram or anywhere, you can also tag me. And also, if you would like a video on any specific topic, then you can also comment